how to promote affiliate products for free. So guys, if you are looking for how to promote affiliate products for free, or you can say through organic way, then watch this video till the end. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can promote your affiliate products for free or through organic way. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly my best method, my best strategy to promote affiliate products for free, guys. Right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. So down below there is a link, go and check out this link. Right? So okay, now here without any delay, let me show you how to promote affiliate products for free, guys. Right? So guys, here what I see, most affiliate marketers, what they do, especially those who are new, they pick their affiliate link and they start promoting that affiliate link everywhere, guys. Right? That ugly looking affiliate link, or you can say long looking affiliate link. So guys, here my best advice to you is that guys, first you go and buy a domain, right? And through that domain promote your affiliate link. Or if you don't want to use domain, like as in my case, I don't promote affiliate link or affiliate product through my direct affiliate link. I use custom domain. As in my case, it is www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com. So this is my domain that I use to promote my affiliate offer or affiliate products, guys. Right? So yes, this is the first thing, guys, that you need to do. Or if you don't want to use, then yes, you can use there is a you can say software, or you can say there is a you can say, yeah, this is software that you can use through which you can shorten your affiliate link. So it's a Bitly. You can go to Bitly, guys. Bitly. Yeah, you can see that. So you can go to this site, and let's suppose you have your affiliate link. So what you need to do, you just need to put your affiliate link here, right? Let's assume this one is my affiliate link. Let's assume, right? So what I will do, I will come here and put my affiliate link here, and then what I will do, simply I will consider shorten, click on that, then yes, I will get this link. So yep, I will promote this link, guys. Right? So yes, this is my final link that I will promote. Right? So okay, now here in my case, guys, so this is the first thing, guys, that you need to do. Very, very important. Now second thing, guys, what you need to do, go and create a training, guys. Here, as in my case, guys, that as I'm promoting one funnel away challenge, this is one of the product that I'm promoting. You can see that, guys. Right? So, and this is my link, guys. You will see my link, affiliate link here. You will see this is my affiliate link. So let me give you again the example of this. Go to Bitly, right, and put your affiliate link, right, and then shorten. So this is my link, guys. I need to promote. So you can see the live example. So guys, now here in that case, guys, what you need to do, so this is my, you can say, affiliate offer that I'm promoting. If someone like decides to promote this, I will make $100 in commission. So guys, if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend you guys go and do this training at least for once. If you are really serious about doing your online business, if you want to scale your online business, then yes, do this training at least for once. Down below I have put the link, you can go and check out. Right? So again, now here what you need to do, simply, guys, create a training. Like as in my case, guys, what I have done, guys, I have created a 5-day binge super affiliate marketing mastery training, guys. Right? So here what I'm doing, guys, here I'm not promoting this one funnel away challenge directly, guys. Here what I'm doing, guys, here I'm doing a training where I'm showing people what's the right way to do affiliate marketing, or to build a solid affiliate marketing business. So you can see that, guys, day one, what I'm teaching to the people, why affiliate marketing is one of the best business model in the world that gives you freedom to make passive income working from home with no boss. So it's a day one, guys. So here I'm not talking about affiliate product. This is my one funnel level challenge, right? So here I'm you can say somewhere I'm giving education, somewhere I'm teaching about affiliate marketing. And so in your case, what you can do, you can create training and that you can give away for free, guys. You can say, hey, I'm doing a training where I'm gonna teach you that how to start affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So that can be your you can say headline or your post, and post this headline on your Facebook profile, and whosoever shows the interest, you can do your training. So as in my case, guys, you can see that, right? Let me just show you its first video. You can see that, guys, right? So this is day 2, how to pick a profitable niche out of 3 core markets. So on day 2 I'm teaching about this, that how to pick a profitable niche, right? And then what affiliate product to promote to your ideal customer that converts and make you big affiliate commission, day 3, right? So guys, here I'm talking about my affiliate product, and that is one funnel away challenge. So guys, you can see that what I'm doing, I'm educating my people, I'm educating my audience, right? What product they need to promote, what product they need to pick, so that they can make big affiliate commission. So indirectly I'm promoting my affiliate offer or my affiliate product, that is one funnel away challenge. So here I'm talking about, okay, if you want to make a big commission, then yes, I have my own product that I'm personally promoting, and this is one funnel away challenge, right? So yes, in that training I'm putting my affiliate link, and yes, if someone decides to buy this training or register for this training, I will be able to make $100 in commission, guys, right? So you can see that, guys, here I'm not promoting directly. Here I'm teaching, or you can say I'm educating to the people, to my ideal customer, that what's the right way to do affiliate marketing. So here I'm showing that yes, this is the product that I'm promoting. So if you want, you can go and start promoting this very product. But yes, before promoting, as I always say, before promoting any affiliate product, first you go through that very product, and when you think that yes it's a great product that provides real value, then yes, go and start promoting it. And yeah, day 4, how to create 2-step sales system that gets you leads and sales on autopilot without having your own presence. So these are the you can say training links, guys, right? Training links and some of the template, right? So here, guys, what I'm doing, I'm providing real value, right? I'm providing value. I'm teaching my ideal customer, I'm teaching my audience, my people, and then side by side I'm you can say I'm recommending my product that I am promoting. So yes, that way they will start you can say trusting on me, because I'm providing a free value, or you can say free training on how to start affiliate marketing business, right? So here, this is one of the way that I am doing, guys, to promote my affiliate offer. So you can say it's an indirect way. First, you are providing value through your training, right, or through your webinar. So it's up to you, guys, right? So it is my 5-day binge super affiliate marketing mastery training. No doubt I was charging for that, but in your case, you can just come up with a you can say 3 to 4 part or 5 part video series, right, or video training, and in that training talk about the thing that you want to teach to your audience, and then side by side, hey, I'm using this software to create landing page or squeeze page, I am promoting this affiliate offer, right? So you will show to your audience the product that you are promoting, and yes, they will trust on you because you are teaching to them, right? No doubt some of them will go through your link, guys, to buy your affiliate product that you have recommended, guys, right? So this is one of the way, guys, that you can go and that you can adopt, guys, that you can go and apply in your affiliate marketing business, right? So this is my one of the way, guys, where I have created training, and in my training I'm talking about my affiliate offer that I'm personally promoting, right? And then, guys, here so this is the training, and yeah, on your profile you can post about your training. Hey, I'm gonna do this training on that very day. If you are interested, comment yes. So whosoever you can say shows interest, take them on Zoom call. Yes, you can do this training through Zoom, right? You can limited your numbers, right? You can say something like, hey, I'm gonna, you can say, give access to only 10 people or 20 people or 50 people. It's up to you, guys, right? It's up to you. So yes, whosoever joins, and then go and start teaching to them, start giving your valuable training to them, and yes, inside your training you can talk about your affiliate offer, guys, right? So this is what I did, and this is what you can do, guys, to promote your affiliate offer for free, guys. Here I haven't you can say done anything, mean to say I simply post you can say about this training on my profile, Facebook profile, right? Who is interested in my 5-day binge affiliate marketing mastery training? And yeah, no doubt I was charging for that, but in your case, because it can be that you are just new, then yes, nobody will trust you, right? Nobody will be ready to pay for you because you are just new or maybe intermediate. But yes, if you provide something that they are looking for, right? If you are giving any kind of training, or if you are doing any kind of webinar where you are solving one of the problem that your people are looking for the solution, definitely they will go and they will join your training. And yes, if they find that yes, your training is good, your training is something that really solve their problem, definitely, guys, they will buy your affiliate product from you, guys. And that way you will build your authority too, guys, right? So yep, guys, go and apply this strategy, and do let me know how it goes to you, guys, right? Yes, do let me know in the comment. And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you, guys, right? Yes, go and apply this strategy, guys, right? And again, guys, never ever promote any product that you are not promoting, that you are not using personally, guys, right? Always promote something that you are using personally and you found it of great value in nature. That's it, guys. So this is my strategy, guys, right? First, pick product, and considering that product, create a training, right? So as in my case, there are people, those who are looking for how to start affiliate marketing business. So yep, I have done a training where I'm teaching about affiliate marketing, and yes, inside my training I am talking about my affiliate offer, right? Let me just show you. Yeah, you can see that best handpicked affiliate products, right? Best handpicked high ticket affiliate program. So these are in that link, guys. I have, you can say, mentioned my product that I am promoting. So if anyone decides to buy, I will make commission, right? So this is one of the way, guys, that you can go and use in your affiliate marketing business, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, do let me know if you have any questions. I will try my level best to answer you or to help you, guys, right? And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel. And yes, down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So yep, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.